how to add Voiceflow chatbot to WIX. So first, go to your Voiceflow account and then open up one of your chatbots. Okay, now from here, just click on integrations here and then click on widget and then click on the copy icon here. So to copy this code. Next is go to your WIX website and then go to the page where you want to add the widget. So I'll just go to this page here and just scroll down since I want to add the widget at the bottom. So I'll just add it here and then click on the plus icon here and then click on embed code, popular embeds, and then just click on embed HTML. Okay, now from here, just need to paste the code that you copied earlier and then click on update, close this, and then drag this here since I want to add the chatbot here. Okay, now click anywhere and then just click on save and then click on preview. Okay, now this is what your site would look like. So in order to check if your chatbot works, just click on it and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.